A lone climber stumbles onto a sudden alpine windstorm as fog swallows the ridge. They deploy a wind shelter using cordage and a poncho, then set up a solar still to reclaim water from melted snow. With gusts ripping at every anchor, the plan hinges on 3 improvised anchors and a belay trick that keeps the shelter from lifting. As daylight fades, they use star navigation and a whistle cue to guide rescuers, while filming the improvised rescue to teach viewers. The takeaway is clear: high country survival demands preparation, improvisation, and calm, decisive action.